Greg with Calendar Snack. Thanks for stopping by. You'll see them in the user interface. To get a Calendar Snack, it's calendarsnack.com. Follow the directions there. Really simple. Lots of good user information and documentation there, as well as Medium and YouTube. To get going here on the demo, you can see them in the View Events panel here. As I click the button, you see I move my mouse around. You'll see the arrow. So today's the 24th. I am basically in the 24th panel. 524, you'll see it up here, 524. What I've done to pre-pop this whole thing is I've gone into the view event for the 24th for the Colorado Rockies. I'm going to click this button here. And for the Colorado Rockies, for the demo, I've taken out this text file. In the text file, there are 11 people in the text file. You can send up to 500 a run. If you are to get a server license from us, a calendar server license for AWS, you can actually send tens of thousands of calendar invites at any given time. For tonight in the demo, I've just pre-popped 11. There they are in a list here. And what I did was I picked a date here in the picker, and that was the 24th. I pick one of these games as the point of the demo, and you type in yes, you click the button, and when you click this button, it launches the calendar invitations to the list. Now, to go faster, what I've done, I've sent the calendar invites out to this game, Friday, May 24th, 6:40. It's actually going on right now. You'll see that the information's been filled in there. It's Blake Street. If you live here in Denver, you know where the ballpark is. The point is, though, I have a persona here for Zach. That data been collected for Zach is yes, and then Mandy has said yes as well. So you see this is a live event, no messing around. And my data supports that in that if I go pull the report from about 15 minutes ago and I go look at this report, what we're going to have is Mandy accepted and Zach accepted. And that's for tonight's game, the 24th. So again, 2 accepts, Mandy and Zach, they're right there. As I move my mouse, you'll see that in the live demo. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to say both of them are not going now. The game's starting. They're not interested in the game. They're just going to wipe it off the calendar. So they're both going to say no. And if I give the data collection time to collect the calendar receipts on AWS, which we're built on, we should see in live demo, both of these should say no. So we're going to go to View Events. We're going to go to 24th. You're going to see I collected 2 of them right there. I'm going to click this button here, which is a live reporting engine. There's a total of 2 here sent, and you can see it live. We changed it, both those people, to no, and then we collected the data on it. So that's one of the things that are unique to what we do here is actually we collect data from the calendar engine itself, the calendar clients, to your customers. We send them a real calendar invite, we collect the data, and as they move the data around on their buttons on the calendar invites, we collect it. So back to 2 no's. And we're going to go back to, we have 2 no's, that validates it. What if I go back here and both of them say, yep, I'm coming to the event. So we're going to go back and switch them from 2 no's to 2 yeses. I'm going to give it just a tad of time here. You can see right now I haven't refreshed it. It says no. I'm going to click the button here and it's going to collect. One of them says no, one says yes. I'm waiting on the other one to come in and actually refresh, and it should here in a second. We still have the other one kind of hanging out. So there you go, live demo. We collected total 2. Total 2 went to yes. Let's go ahead and grab the report and validate that data for you as a viewer. I'm going to go here to my Outlook. That Outlook is for Colorado Rockies fans, outlook.com. That's the original organizer. You hear the good old Outlook beep. And I just collected that. Let's validate timestamp 7:05, 7:05. I'm going to click here. You see it's live right here. I'm going to click and preview. I don't think I can make it any bigger, but you'll see that Zach accepted and Mandy accepted. That's the end of the demo, and that all lines up with 2 people here that have responded and said yes to the Colorado Rockies game here in Denver, Colorado, in which we're hosting the Phillies. Thanks for stopping by.